Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm still very bullish overall on this monthly time frame. I still think it's going to end up making some sort of a five-way pattern up. I still believe it's going to end up taking out these highs and most likely ending up looking something like that, probably all the way up to about the 161 area. 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2 to finish off this move up. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely still pretty strong to the downside. Not as strong as some of the other dollar pairs, but definitely still pretty strong. I still think that we are already in a wave 3. I think this is a running flat wave 2. I think this is probably just a subdivision, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3. I think eventually it's going to bounce off a fib and go up and finish off a 3 of 3, a 4 of 3, and a wave 5 of wave 3. And this is going to be only a wave 3 of that bigger pattern on the monthly time frame. So then we'd probably get a bigger wave 4 and another wave 5. So heading down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely nice move to the downside. Non-farm payroll is a very, very good setup. I'm definitely still holding my dollar trades from non-farm payroll, and those are going very, very nicely. I actually think it's pretty clear now that this is an A, B, C, D, and we're probably now in a wave E. I would expect this wave E to at least take out the lower wave 4, so I would expect it to at least go to the 50, maybe even the 61.8. Maybe this top right here will become a bottom, and then it will end up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, I still think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3, especially based on the weekly and monthly time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are kind of right in the middle of two Fibonacci retracement levels, so I am for sure definitely still looking for shorts. Even if it does go up and make a decent move up, and even if it does make a break of structure, I definitely am primarily going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, I actually expect it's going to go down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement, possibly even a 61.8 to finish off a wave 2 of wave 3, most likely is what I would call it. So going right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we're definitely looking for shorts, and we actually had a very, very nice short this morning. Probably better visible on like the 15 or 30-minute time frame, but that was a very, very clear, nice shorting opportunity. Nice lower high, perfect little entry. And even if this does pull back, which I'm not saying it's going to, it could easily just keep on going down. But if it does pull back, even if it does break structure, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts. Actually, if it goes up and breaks structure, that's going to make me even more confident to go short at the end of a three-way pullback, like an ABC preferably, or a WXY, maybe even some sort of a flat pattern. But either way, if it does go up, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'd be looking for three waves up. I would be looking for a Fibonacci bounce with a big bearish engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.